They never encountered this thing. But small children are suffering in the bush. Now take our children, they make money.
My fellow Biafrans, if you have not been sharing my video, or if you have not been commenting on my video, share this particular video because it is very important for you to share. This is an old woman crying because of what Fulani people, Boko Haram, did to his son in northern part of Nigeria, where he was serving Nigeria soldier. So just take on your time and share this particular video. The reason why I bring this particular video here is not because of anything, but I want to use this video now to educate some Igbo people, some Igbo youth who are willing to join Nigeria soldier. This video is for you because this old woman now is crying because of what happened to his son when he was serving Nigeria soldier. So if you think that joining Nigeria soldier is your own choice, my brother, watch this video first before you say that you want to go and join Nigeria soldier. So as they watch this particular video, share so that other Igbo youth will also see this particular video. Thank you and God bless you. If you share this video, they drop your thought under the comment section.
Please, leaders of Nigerians, we are begging you people, our children are in the bush. I tell my son, if he no fit come back home, God will feed us. My husband do army work, 36 years. 36 years. They never encountered this thing. But small children are suffering in the bush. Now take our children, they make money. Nigerian leaders, it will never better for you people. It will never better for you people. I tell my son, if you no fit to come back home, no be by force. Make I even see my son dead body. Nigerian leaders, Nigerian government, please do something about our children that are in the bush. Please, I'm an old soldier wife. My son joined army. He dey inside bush crying with red tears. Please, Nigeria, we are begging you people, make na no leave. Make na no leave our children die every day. Please, please and please, make na help our children. They are suffering in the bush. Now they sell our children, they make money, and then they are dying in the bush. Oh God, the God of revengeance, revenge for our children, revenge. I'm speaking this thing with heartbreak to see a soldier crying like this. God, where are you? God of revengeance, please rise, arise, arise. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me. My husband do 36 years for this army, but still, till today, in remaining money, they not pay for and say if they pay, soldier go useless the money, they give her half of the money. See, today, my husband money still there hang in their hands. God of revengeance, the God of widows, will stand for me, he will stand for my pikin in the bush. Nigeria government, it will never better for you people. It will never better for you people. It will never better for you people. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for listening to me.
Ijegede, have you waited without your useless name? You are very stupid. I no go better for you any place where you dey. See, let me tell you something. E no go better for you any place where you dey. In case you don't know, This way they shout IPOB, blah blah blah, terrorism, this kind of thing. Now him, the government they use, they hijack all those stuff. Yes. If there are more people, now government they use, so they hijack them. They go do their terrorism finish. They go terrorize particular society, particular community. They go terrorize and finish. Come tag them as IPOB. Now so they do. We know this game. Now this game, now that's how those games when they play. And I think say before people like us, so and many people they advocate for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So una still believe say that Kanu na still terrorist. Una never know say you get wetin we don see before we stand by Nnamdi Kanu. You get wetin we don see. Una dey mad. Una dey very useless. And I will ask you question. If to say Nnamdi Kanu be that terrorist where they claim, why Nnamdi Kanu trial long like that? 10 years. 10 years in trial. You no go ask yourself question. But I don't say they get under ground something where they won't try do. Make they just be like say they're shutting a mass in Nnamdi Kanu or make your dog they make you just lock up. I don't say you get where they go. Why the trial can't long for 10 years like that? It's just say really do them. Therefore don't jail at or execute that. Because yes, therefore don't want to take because now Igbo man he be and they don't really like Igbo man. And to say you really terrorize where they talk say you don't terrorize everywhere. Therefore don't buy up. See, I don't make una dey open her here because una don't know where they go on. This Nigerian government are very evil and they are so desperate. They can do and not do to make sure say anybody wey wan come their way, they go eliminate you. Because say now because you did their way, you dey block their way. Now why they just dey find way to come make am look and say Nnamdi Kanu na terrorist. They come dey send this stupid animal Ijegede. This one wey dey up here. Come dey send am make go dey terrorize when come tag them as IPOB. Okay, ask yourself question. Tiger Base, Imo State have been Owerri. Tiger Base police station. Them say go pack people finish. They go tag them as IPOB. Why say na only happy they tag them? They just dey find way to make am look like say Nnamdi Kanu na terrorist. Igbo people are terrorists. When I open her here.
Mgbe ọbụla ịdị otu a na-enwelọ nne na nna seti kamera ọ na-akụ eli mgbugbuo gị mgbupụ gị isi mmee gị nke a mgbagbuo Nnamdi Kanu mgbagbuo followers ya mgbagbuo IPOB mgbagbuo mgbe ọbụla ọ setịla nkamera gbagbuo sọsị ya bịa ị ga na-afịa sọsị ya bịa ga na-apụ ya n'ọnụ ijele nwere orele pawa Ebuka Obi akpụli ya kpuchie ya tụchie ya tụda na underground ijele nwere pawa ijele content creator nwere power Ebuka Obi kpụrụ gị tụchie gị nga tụba gị na underground anayo si na ị na-agbozi ọbala na kidney gị na-efe elu na ị na-agbozi ọbala n'imi ma n'ọnụ lọya gị na-ayọ ụmụnne gị anayo ụmụnna gị anayo kedu na-abịala mgba ya Ebuka Obi biko na ọ bụrụzie na pastọ ka ọ bụ nya gba alon ma very document esela okwu ọnụ mgbe a si Ebuka Obi na alapụ gị anayo on your behalf power ga niile iji agbagbu mmadụ ma iji eme nke onwezi nke enwe onwezi nke ihe sendile Ebuka Obi ma ihe sendile ndị prison ịgbagbo ndị prison anwụlụ gị tụchie gas nobody biko ka ụmụnne gị niile yọkọta wee kpụpụta gị ibidokwa n'ọzọ aka na abụghị ọgwụ ofu aka ọzọ ọ wee cha ndị na-akpọ gị bụ ndị na-ejelu Chukwu ozi bụ eme ahịhịa agbafa nkịtị imekata ihe onye nwere obi n'azụ wee nwe ya wee nwụchie gị ọzọ ya anwụchi gị ya isi ya jụọ oge oyi onukwu na amalife mgbagbuo gị mgbupụ gị isi tagodo ka ọ dị ka mugwu.
Nnamdi Kanu is in jail today because he's different from Sunday Igboho. Yes. If Nnamdi Kanu were to be Sunday Igboho, he would be campaigning for Tinubu in the southeast now. Yes. Because it's the same terms that he gave to Sunday Igboho that he accepted that Nnamdi Kanu has rejected over the last 10 years. So please don't insult it. I don't know what he will do tomorrow. But the Nnamdi Kanu that I went to campaign for in Aba last week is not somebody, it will be, I don't even know what to call it, if it's a heresy to compare the two of them. As per Sunday Igboho, who I don't know too well, but I've always stated that their own brand of politics is what they call Amala politics in your state. It is politics of chop I chop. It is what they used to call during in the Southeast or rub bumbo. Rub my back, I rub your back. So, but what Sunday Igboho is going to quickly realize is that it is going to be in the hall of infamy, like the Nzeribes of this world, who once said that if Babangida did not become president, he will kill himself. Right? Both him and Babangida have become invalid. You know, it's like Daniel Kanu, who said if Abacha did not become president, he will kill himself. Abacha has died. His own political career died forever. It's like Baba Adedibu in Ibadan, who says that Obasanjo, if he doesn't do third time, he will kill himself. He has also died. So these are ideas that will not last. And I have no doubt that Sunday Igboho has just automatically, if he was ever relevant, just retired himself into the infamy of the people I mentioned. And his own might be worse, because the whole community might be cooking for him very soon. I will go to anywhere in Nigeria to campaign, and I want to see him come and stop me. And I'm sure he will never try. So some of it is also psychological. True. They are just using them to scare you so that you won't stand up. You know, because they know if Tinubu is truly supported by 33 governors, why is he afraid of? Why is he afraid of rallies? Yeah, that tells you that it is the governors that are decamping, the people are not decamping. He provided.
One night nwoke abụ Nnaemeka Ejiofor o je Sokoto prison o je visit Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu wee zie ya ozi ọ ga-ezi ụmụ Igbo, wee zie ya ozi ọ ga-ezi ndị Igbo. Dị ozi ka nchọ kịta na nka ngwa gị ka nkọwara gị ka dị ozi si wee dị. Ọ sị na ọ nụkwa n'ihe mee na Abia State. Na ọ fụ the video, everything what have happened in Abia State. Na ọ fụ ya. Then number 1 bụ na a ga-enwe 100 men committee. Na ya bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ga-abụ the head. Na ya ga-lead the committee. Ya bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. That's number 1. Then second, listen to me very carefully, attentively. Listen to this video and share this video. Then second, bụ na ọnụ ihe niile eme na that protest. Number 1, na ọ ma na-atụ tear gas. Na ọ ma na-atụ tear gas. Na ọfụ tear gas atụ. Na ọfụ ihe niile. Na ọ watch the video, everything from beginning to the end. Na Arinze Chukwu na enwe somebody like Alex Oti. Na Chukwu ga-agọzi ya. Na ọ bụ ma second tenor. Na ọ ga-eji second term in Abia State. Na Chukwu ga-agọzi ya. Na ọ ka ya na ebe a metọfụ ihe Chukwu kpere aka o mee na Abia State. Then number 3, the third message. Bụrụ na okene Said, this Yoruba guy na-ekiri n'iru video akịta. Na okene Sowore. Na okene ndị niile gbara mbọ fụ na the protest hold in Abia State. Wee mee ya n'udo. Na ọ makwa mbọ Alex Oti gbarụ pụtara oge atụ tegas ahụ, oge ndị polisi atụ tegas ahụ. Na ọ makwa mbọ Alex Oti gba. Wee fụ na that attitude na-akwụsị ya on time. Na onwere ụmụ nwanne anyị ndị merụrụ arụ fọda. Na oke na-esi ụmụ mgbe niile wee na-enye advice wee na-asị na onye ọbụla jisi ike, whatever you're doing gị jisi ike. In no distant time na he will regain his freedom. Na Chukwu ga-eme ya. It's written already. Ihe a bụ ozi a na-ezi kịta na mbụ ozi Nnaemeka Ejiofor ya ka na-ezi kịta. So onye ọbụla jisi ike ihe ọbụla ị na-eme. In no distant time na Biafra freedom is assured. Wee na-ekene onye ọbụla, wee na-esi onye ọbụla jisi ike na ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma. Ekene m unu.